Good everyone, Les here, Chief Analyst of BG Trading in Australia, and I hope you are well. Today is March 5, 2024, and I'll be analyzing some of gold stocks that I believe could have 20 to 40% upside in this gold bullish market. It's important to see that most of those gold stocks had actually underperformed in comparison to gold prices itself within the last 2 months. So we want to take a look which ones is a potential buying opportunity and which one is out of reach at the FOMO area. Let's have a look. Just want to remind that this is not a financial advice, it's just us from BG Trading, sharing with you how we apply our strategies to chase 20 to 40% profit within 1 to 3 month time. That's what we do here with our VIP members. So if you're struggling with your trades, take a look on our VIP membership program, bgtrading.com.au, and some of the membership plans give you access to our trading mastery course, which is a course that I will be teaching you everything about BGS20 strategy, how to buy stocks, how to set up targets, stop losses, how to detect FOMO areas, and much more. Sorry, my dog just barking. So, I also like to invite you I also like to invite you to become a member of our free Facebook community, Buy, Grow, Sell Strategy for Share Traders. We post a lot of great quality content, including some stock analysis, access to those videos as well, and obviously some of our great results. Today I want to congratulate as well some of the VIP members that traded ZIP with us for 80%. Some are still holding from our earliest entry in October for 160%. If you are one of those, please put in the comments below. Don't have to thank me, this is my job, but put in the comments below, share with us your successful story. Now we wanted to share as well why we sold ZIP today. First of all, because we are at $71,000 profit, 80%. Now, even though the stock could rally further, we exceeded our long-term target, which was 90 cents. Also, many different BGS 20 targets, so we're pretty happy, we're pretty satisfied with $80. And one of the reasons we sold is because we can make the same or even more money now using a much less capital, focusing to stocks that are trading at technically discounted price. ZIP is now trading at FOMO level. It could keep rallying. Yes, it could. In fact, it's closed today at $1.12. But we are out. We are now focused into all the stocks, and we are now very grateful for one more fantastic result with ZIP, which, by the way, is it is actually our most profitable stock. We have done 100%, $100,000 profit back in 2022, and this is $71,000 profit in ZIP as well this year. And we just sort of de-risking a little bit. That's why we sold that to lock profit. That is our responsibility with our VIP members as well, to ensure that a profit is only profit when it's locked. Okay, I've seen a lot of situations that people leave the profit there, leave the stock, the open position, and then the stock start falling. Not implying this is going to happen with ZIP now, because the fundamentals are improving. You know, we're following us here on the channel, you know, that we have been a big supporter of ZIP, but we are traders, we are not investors. We already made our trade here, and we're taking this $71,000 to invest elsewhere, or to trade with that fund and then multiply as we go. Now, first of all, let's kick off this video with gold stocks. Take a look what's happening on the gold stock. Historically, gold stock never has been so high. Today it is trading at 2,115 US dollars an ounce. Guess what happened with the stocks? When gold stocks, when the commodity is trading at a really high level, and the companies that mine, that produce that particular commodity, are able to sell the commodity at the higher price. They are increasing, they're going to be increasing its profits. The results will be improved, and we most likely will have strong fundamental results from most of the gold stocks that we are talking about in this video in this second half of FY24. So that's what we're expecting. Therefore, stocks haven't has only started moving last week, and obviously we are taking advantage of some of these stocks, and we're gonna share with you now. So let's start with Evolution Mining, EVN. This is a stock that we are currently holding. Has recently raised capital, which obviously dilute the company a little bit for acquisition, but in the same time puts the stock back at technically discounted price. You see this strong support line there for EVN. First of all, EVN is a very high quality gold producer with lower all-in sustainable costs. The ASI and companies with lower all-in sustainable cost will obviously increase its margin as well, and therefore EBITDA and the net profit tends to be a lot higher. So currently trading at technically discounted price for the long-term trend and right at the bullish intersection level 1. This is the time to look into, guys, not when it is at the top. Right here when it is just start turning. So it looks very positive. It's still at technically discounted price for the long term and a technically fair price for the short term, offering an entry opportunity. For us, EVN is a buy opportunity. Let's move to the next one. The next one is Northern Star Resources, NST. This is a stock that we are currently holding, so we're still holding that stock. This is probably the highest quality producer in Australia. It is trading at the FOMO level and potentially will break out this hypothetical resistance level as gold prices continues to rally or stays at the current level. This company is going to be incredibly more profitable than last financial year, therefore offering better results, better earnings for its shareholders, and therefore it should automatically reflect on the share price. I'm expecting a breakout here. Would I be buying this now? Well, it is trading. Let's take a look if it is FOMO area ready or not. Yeah, it's 13% above the SMA. Look, it is trading at FOMO level for the long term. Still at technically fair level for the short term. Would I be looking to this particular one? This is a leader, but I think that one would be just a hold for now, and obviously holding as long as gold price stays high. This is likely to be the beginning of a further rally. Now let's move to a smaller company called Resolute Mining, which the ASX code is RSG. So Resolute Mining, as you can see here, a huge volume, increasing volume on the upside, which suggests that we are just beginning a rally as well. This stock is trading at technically fair price, offering a good entry. For us is also an entry opportunity right now, as gold prices are trading extremely high now, and these companies are likely to be far more profitable in the second half of the financial year. As you can see here, just again, only started a bullish intersection level 2. And potentially we'll see a bullish intersection level 1 as well. This is probably the weakest in terms of fundamental, with mining projects in Africa. If you're following us here, you know that we rather avoid stocks that has project in like higher risk areas. However, this particular stock offers a very high share price swings and offers sometimes even 50% profit in its rally. So it looks interesting to us. It's also a buy. Ideally, you want to be buying at the bottom of this channel here, but it's still kind of let's say adding up opportunity, right? So best to buy at the bottom of the channel right there. So this is also a buy, and then we have the next one, which is Ramelius RMS. This is a stock that we have been trading. All those stocks we have been trading with our VP members, and then this stock, by memory, we took about 27% profit. And we are once again trading this stock. We bought right here at the bottom. Now, obviously, the stock has rallied already 11%, so it's halfway from our BGS 20 threshold profit. So we just would be careful. But if you're looking at buying for this stock for a potential short-term profit, the time would be now on its way up. We only had the bullish intersection level 2 yesterday, which was this candle behind. And interesting enough, volume is still also increasing very gradually. It doesn't look as good as Resolute mining and Northern Star, but it still could offer a good opportunity for 20 to 40%. So all these gold stocks looking very appealing. Which one you're gonna choose? Obviously, it's up to you. But remember, this is not an investment channel; it's a trading channel. So you need to take a look which stock is trading at technically discounted price. For me, EVN now. EVN is by far the best entry. EVN. I'm even going to put that back here, right there. By far the best entry, because EVN is kind of trading still a technically discounted price for the long term, where most of the other stocks are trading at the FOMO or at a technically fair price for the long term. This is definitely, if I was going to look at right now, right here, a gold stock to buy and chase 20 to 40% would most likely be EVN. Okay, that's for the reason I just explained. And then we do have an opportunity for 20 to 30% right there. If gold prices keep kicking off like that, we will see earnings growing for EVN, and then potential lock-in around the top level here, which is what we call hypothetical resistance level. So what we want to see still is whether this downtrend here, which the stock went back to this downtrend, will be broken, and we probably will see some accumulation somewhere around this sort of level here before breaking out. So don't get scared if gold price is still high, you buy this particular stock and you see a potential consolidation around this sort of level here. If you see a consolidation around this sort of level, 330, 3 to 330, a sort of accumulation here, then that's a positive sign, because the stock is once again back to this downtrend here. So it's a positive sign. And what we need to make sure is that gold price is still still at the highest levels, above $2,000 a pound, and it looks like if inflation is under control and Fed indeed start cutting rates, we are likely to see a continuation of this uptrend on gold prices. But again, there is no guarantees in the market, so make sure you set up your stop losses and be protected in case inflation comes higher than expected in February. And then if that is the case, we might have a sell-off across the board. Yeah, so I hope this video was valuable. That's the end. We're only going to cover those 40 stocks. There are plenty of other gold stocks, but we want to look into probably the leading ones or the more interesting ones at the moment. And EVN definitely is the one that were probably interesting to go now as we speak. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.